I have three types of take profits with this strategy, guys. Look at this, and this is around 140 pips. This is massive, man. 140 pips. You know. Well, hello traders, welcome back. This is Two Men FX as usual, guys. This is your boy Two Men. Yes, I'm here to give you a new strategy, a boom strategy, boom and crash strategy, and this strategy works based on boom and crash all pairs. Okay, but as usual, guys, I don't recommend you to trade boom 300 and boom and crash 300. Why? Crash and boom 300, they are too volatile, and once you mess up with them, guys, you can blow your account. Just a simple move, huge profits, which can lead to account being blown in a single second, and which is not good, because we are here to learn, we are here to make money, guys. If you are new on this channel, guys, and this is your first video to watch, or this is your second video, or no matter how long you have been in this channel but you have not yet subscribed the channel, just hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the videos, guys. Show me some love as I bring more strategies for you guys. Okay, this strategy I'm using only two indicators. As you can see on my screen now, I'm using the MACD and I'm using the moving average on the main chart, guys. And when you check how the strategy is working, guys, if you're ready, I'm ready too. Well, as you see now, let's go deep into the strategy and see how it really performs, because this strategy is very, very powerful, guys, and have been working for me. I've made some money on it and have decided to share it with you guys. All the strategies I share with you, I make money with them, guys. I don't share the strategies for you which I make losses with them, because when I'm building a strategy, I start from scratch. I say I'm gonna use this indicator because I study indicators and know everything about them. It's not that I know too much about indicators, but I study little which I want to use in my strategies, guys. Let me tell you something. There is no one who knows much in forex trading. That is a very bad tongue. That's a very bad language. You will never know each and everything in forex trading. But what you know makes for you money. That's why I come here with my strategies that I build myself and give you the strategies, you make money. So when I'm building up this strategy, guys, I choose indicators to use and I study them and I apply them on the chart. And after that, I just go inside deep them. I start editing, like changing the setups of the indicators until I get what I want, guys. I've been giving you strategies that are working on 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. But for now, this strategy is working on 30-minute time frame, guys. As usual, I always tell you that before scalping, always check the trend of the market. So for this strategy, guys, I recommend you always check the trend of the market, because I show you that there is no strategy for like the strategy which is using indicators doesn't follow the trend. Once you mess up and trade against the trend, my friend, my brother, my sister, you're gonna lose money. That's true, that's real. You're gonna lose money. Don't trade a strategy like indicator strategy, but you're trading against the trend. These strategies work best following the trend. Okay, let's go. Good. And now for this strategy, guys, we are taking from 4 hour to 30 minutes, because we are entering our trades on 30 minutes. So we take our higher time frame should be 4 hour. You can use 1 hour, but 1 hour is too nearby. So we're gonna use 4 hour. 4 hour, we check what is the trend of the market, guys. As you can see, let me first do these drawings, man. Yeah, I'm gonna delete all because okay, good. As for this strategy, guys, you are following the trend too. It's not advisable to trade against the trend. And something like I'm gonna tell you guys, if your equity is somehow good, like it's above 100 or $100 and above. So what you're gonna do, you can trade this strategy. You can buy and sell on boom, you can buy and sell on crash, you can buy anytime, you can buy and you can sell anytime when you get a signal. Okay, because as you know, for boom, once you buy, that means you're targeting spikes, and sometimes the spike cannot come instantly. You can enter trade, you go in a drawdowns, but afterwards the spike starts coming in and they go into profits. So for this strategy, you are good to trade boom and crash, buying and selling on a single pair. But once your equity is too little, guys, don't use this strategy to buy on boom and to sell on crash. Ignore those signals. So for now, I'm going to show you each and every signal that we get on this strategy for buying and selling, but I'm going to use boom. Okay, so when we check, guys, now the trend is likely to be changing for now. As you can see, the trend is changing, but that's not our case. We wait for the trend to change completely and we start looking for buys. Okay, so when we go back test this strategy, guys, you can see the trend has been going down. It has been a bearish trend, and now after seeing this, that is a bearish trend, we come on our 30-minute, we start looking for entries like this now. Okay, let's go. As you can see what has been happening. Let me go all the way where the trend started from. Let me mark it so that I cannot go too far. Okay, yeah, I'm going to use only this zone to check the trend and show you the entries that we'll have got here. This is our zone, and for this zone the trend was bearish trend. Okay, and we can check, let me say, like the trend, oh my god, what's this, man? Let me say like the trend started from somewhere here. Okay, somewhere there, or let me say somewhere here. Okay, there you can say, yeah, now I noticed that this is a downtrend because now we have started getting lower lows and higher lows. Okay, so I check this and say this is a downtrend. Okay, so we go on 30-minute and start looking for entries. So we're going to look for entries inside this black zone. This is a box that we drew on 4 hour. Thank you. Good. Let's see. When I come here, guys, you come and check our signal line crossed above the moving average. Sorry about that, man. The signal line crossed above our MACD on indicator window 1, and it crossed above our MACD in a sell zone, because when our MACD is above zero level, that means we are looking for sales. Okay, when it is ever above, you're looking for sell zones. And guess what? After noticing that our MACD is above our signal line is above our MACD, we start looking for sell signals. Okay, so you can come here and see, guys, what happened. You see what happened here? You see, we got our entry straightforward. You wait for you enter it. This is how you can enter a trade. You enter a trade when our bearish candlestick closes below the moving average on the main chart. This is a moving average, black line, it is a moving average. You enter a trade when it crosses below the moving average. Okay, and now you look at, guess what, we entered a trade. You can take like 2 candlesticks of 30 minutes or 1 candlestick of 30 minutes. That's it, man. You don't have to be too greedy. And when you come and check again here, you see what happened, guys. Look at this. This is a very good example, by the way. Why? Because you see now the signal line crossed above our MACD, and this was a sell signal. And when you come on your indicator, in your main chart, we don't have any entry, man, because when you see there is no bearish candlestick that crossed below, guess what? We got another signal from our signal line. It crossed above our MACD. Still, we didn't get any signal somewhere here, and it did again a crossover. If you can see very well, this is a crossover here, and when it crossed, we got a full closure of a candlestick below the moving average, guys. That's why I tell you, always look for bearish candlestick, not a bullish candlestick. Look at this. I couldn't enter here. Why? Because this is a bullish candlestick and it crossed and closed above the moving average. And for us, we want a bearish candlestick crossed below. Guess what? You enter the market somewhere here and you get a small pullback and it comes all the way down. Look at this, man. It comes all the way down. I will show you the take profits, how we can take profits. We have 3 types of take profits with this strategy, guys. Look at this, and this is around 140 pips. This is massive, man. 140 pips. Do you know what it means, bro? 130 pips. This is massive, bro. Look at this now. So when we go on, guys, look at this now. Look at this now. Look at this. Our signal line crossed above our MACD, and on our indicator, on our main chart, our moving average, it was above, and the candlestick crossed and closed below the moving average. You enter a trade. Let me say you entered somewhere here. This is a full closure of a candlestick below the moving average. You enter somewhere there. Sometimes you can use support and resistance. You say, I'm not going to exceed this take profit. That is 43 pips, man. That is massive. This is massive. So I will come back and show you that take profits. As I told you, 3 take profits. This is the last example, guys. Look at this. We got our entry somewhere here. You see, our moving, our indicator, our MACD was below the signal line, whereby the signal line crossed above the MACD. You get an entry somewhere here. You see, the market came down, but we got a drop. We got a pullback. Some people, you exit somewhere here. Okay, you exit somewhere here, which is okay, because there's no strategy that is working 100%, man. Each and every strategy, you face some losses, but you have to be more profitable than the trades that you take, or lower you lose, man. So guess what? Stop loss was hit somewhere here. Stop loss was hit. Okay, stop loss was hit, but we don't give up. We got another entry. Here, closed below the moving average again. You enter a trade and you exit somewhere here. 68 pips. Guess what? We lost 48 pips total. 40 pips, and we gained 68 pips. That means we have got around 28 profits. 28 pips back into our account. Those are profits. That means you have not lost, but you just got a pullback in your profits. Okay, let's go. Let me show you now. These are the 3 types of take profits that I use with this strategy. The first take profit, guys, is when you see your signal line touches the 0 level of your MACD. Okay, so let me show this. We got our entry somewhere here, and when we got our entry, we have to hold the trade until our signal line touches level 50 of the MACD. You see what happened? This was our take profit, and let me show you how much pips did we get. Let me show you this. 50 pips, 47 around to 50 pips. This is massive. That is take profit 1. Another take profit, guys, that I use with this strategy. You see what happened here? After getting that entry, guys, we hold the trade until the signal line on our indicator window 1 crosses below the MACD. And when it crosses below, guys, guess what? We exited somewhere here, you see? And that is 60 pips. 60 pips onto our account. Let me show you another take profit that I use on this strategy, guys. We got our entry somewhere here, because our signal line gave us an entry or a signal on our indicator window 1 by crossing above the MACD, and we come on our main chart. The bearish candlestick crossed below the moving average, and when the moving average was above, we get our entry somewhere there. And when we get our entry somewhere there, we take only two candlesticks of 30 minutes, and that is 1 hour in a trade. Yes, and now let me show you the stop loss for this strategy. Guys, for this strategy I use only one method of stop loss, okay, and that is the most profitable and highly secured stop loss that I use. Okay, so let me show you something like here, because this is the trade that we lost. So if you check, if you have been following this trend, it was a downtrend, and out of there were like 4 entries, we lost only one trade. And among all that, the first trade we got 50, another one we got 47, another one we got around 68 pips. Okay, and if you join that one, it is around like 160 and above pips, and we lost only 40. That means we are in 100 plus pips in profits. Let me show you the stop loss. We got our entry somewhere here. See, we got our entry somewhere here. Why? Because our signal line crossed above the MACD, and our bearish candlestick crossed and closed below the moving average, and we got the full closure of a bullish candlestick above the moving average. Once you get that one, guys, close the trade. Just close the trade, don't hold. Why? Because it might go up and up. Start looking for another entry, guys. Okay, that's it. That's our stop loss, guys. Respect the rules, avoid over trading, and use proper risk management. With this strategy, you're going to make money. You're going to make a lot of money in a single day. Be patient, wait for the entries to happen, wait for your conditions to give you an entry, and enter a trade. Okay, good. Let me show you now the indicator setups. As I told you, we are using only 2 indicators, moving average, and the moving average on our main chart, we are using moving average, which is period 50. Okay, please note this: the setups of the moving average, the setups of the MACD don't change anything, because if you change, that means the signals which will be given to you will not be the same as I have been explaining to you. Okay, moving average in a main chart, we have period 50, shift 0 method, simple, apply to close, styles for peak size, color black. Good. And now we go on our MACD indicator window 1. Using first EMA is 12. Actually, for MACD, you set to default. Okay, and when you set to default, guys, you just change the colors. Okay, because if you remember very well, our signal line was color red, and our MACD was color black. Good. You close, and that's all. You see, that's it, man. And you make money. That's the strategy for the guys. Go make money. Love you, all of you guys. Just hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the videos, show me some love, man. Let me see your reaction in the comment below this video. If you do know the broker to use trading boom and crash trading indices, just check down this video. The links are there for you. Sign up with the brokers. Just go make money. Let's make money from these brokers. Okay, don't give your money to brokers. Thank you for watching. Boom and crash, to main effect forever. Boom.